Hi, this is Trev and welcome to my vlog. This is a little repair I did on my indicator switch. One of the niggles I've got, which has turned into quite a frustrating thing, is it's this Diatz branded American genuine 1950s indicator switch, which I bought brand new in its box, brand new, built in the 1950s. And I think the main problem is because the switch is made out of some kind of Baker-like type material. I expect it's all age hardened. That could be partly due to the problem of taking it all apart. And the actual bit that pivots inside doesn't fit on the shaft properly. It's like got like loads of play in it, and it's sprung loaded and it needs to still be free, and I've sort of given up with it really. I've fiddled with it. I can't get it working properly. The main problem is this: when you indicate, so let's indicate left, so we're indicating left, everything's fine until you cancel the indicators. When you cancel the indicators, both sides come on. So let's go right now. So now I'm indicating right, it's still on, so it's off, look. And you got to kind of fiddle it like that, and it's off now. And this is the problem I've got, you see. I can't cancel the indicators. It's got worse and worse. So what I've done is I've sourced a switch. A lot of people have sort of recommended this company. It's this Car Builder Solutions. Nice, cool, retro neon sign on the front. A lot of people, I don't know this company at all. A lot of people have recommended them to me, and they did this switch, which is completely different design to what I've got in there now, and I'm going to have to try and make this fit. I'm sure I can do something with it. So yeah, it seemed like a fairly good kind of size to exchange it over. So it's like a kind of rotary switch that's in there now. And this is more of a toggle switch. So I'm going to have to make some kind of bracket or make adjustments and try and get this fitted in, and hopefully it'll sort this problem out. I made this bracket up. It's got to go inside there, look. The difficulty is getting it to sit in deep enough and then still be able to go through that very narrow slot.
Nice.
Well, thanks very much for watching. I actually did that repair 2 years ago and it's still been absolutely faultless. So very successful repair on that one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
How hard can it be?
cushion in his grave. Next cushion in his grave. Next cushion in his grave.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.